Brew the perfect cup of flavorful coffee with this Calphalon Special Brew 10-cup coffee maker. The Perfect Brew features a premium boiling system that produces precise temperatures to extract 20% more flavor from your grounds for bold, robust coffee. Adjustable flavor strength precisely fits your unique taste, and the Fresh Brew Timer tracks how long ago the coffee was made. The non-stick warming plate keeps it piping hot for up to 4 hours and prevents scorching. The 10-cup coffee maker's dark stainless steel accents make it a great addition to your kitchen. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Premium boiling system. The premium boiling system extracts 20% more flavor for a rich, robust taste. Number 2. Coffee strength adjustment. Coffee strength can be adjusted to match your preferred taste. Number 3. Precise temperature. Precise brewing temperature delivers a flavorful cup of coffee. Number 4. Programmable LCD display. Programmable LCD display provides intuitive control of all features. Number 5. Fresh Brew Timer tracks the time since the last brew. Number 6. Delay brew function for easy brewing at a later time. Number 7. 4-hour nonstick warming plate keeps coffee hot and provides easy cleanup. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.